Assalamualaikum. Tip number 1 for young employees. You have the right and the responsibility to actually review all the policy documents, all the workplace safety documents, and all the procedures and everything provided by your employer. If you have not received them, you have the right to ask them to review the policies about workplace safety, health and safety practices, anti-harassment policies, code of conduct, and all that. So if you have not received them, please ask your employer if there is anything is in place like that. And if you have received them, I would highly encourage you to read them and to review them and discuss them with your mentors or your managers to understand what these rights and responsibilities are, because a workplace is like a family, is like a home, right? So all of you working together, ensuring that you know what to do and what are the right things to do, makes it accessible, makes it secure, safe, and workable for everybody. So it's very important that you actually know the policies and procedures, you actually know the mandate of your employer, you actually know your mentor's directions and your employee's commitment level. Okay, so inshallah, I hope when you review those things and you discuss those things with your mentors, you will be in a very good shape moving forward.